Hi there everyone, Kim from Expression Artworks. Nice to see you. This is a pre-recorded video, so not on a live, but definitely appreciate you watching and hope you'll enjoy it. I won't be on long. I just wanted to introduce the new fall transfer collection from Essential Stencil. Today, August 22nd, is actually their sneak peek. So you could go on essentialstencil.com and you can view the transfer bundle, which I'm going to show you that I have right here. And you could also purchase them individually. There's also Halloween stencils and transfers. There's non-seasonal stencils and transfers, great stencil brushes. So just a great company, especially if you love stenciling and applying transfers to your crafts. You could mix and match. You could also do, with a particular craft, you could stencil and use transfers with the same craft. So it's just like, makes it so much fun, so creative. Your imagination, you let your imagination take over and figure out what you want to do. So like I said, this is the new fall collection. They already had come out with their fall stencils, but the fall transfers come out on the 24th. So today being the 22nd, they wanted to give you a little sneak peek where, like I said, you could go online and view, and then you could purchase on August 24th. And of course you could use my code Expression Artworks, all one word, no spaces, and that'll let you receive an extra 10% off of your entire order, whether products are on sale or not. So that always makes it fun. And of course, I appreciate that so much as well. So let me show you the new collection. And what's really awesome is they came out for the first time with 8x10 sheets. So they've never done this before. Their regular sheets are 12x16. But they came out, like I said, with 8x10, and these are so beautiful, so fun, so vibrant. So this one is called Autumn Woodland Blessings, and you get 3 different ones. Like I said, each one has 3 sheets. You get Fall is in the Air with an owl, Harvest Blessings with a deer, and Gather and Give Thanks with a squirrel. So I'll hold that up and hopefully you can see each one. And if I turn this around, this one is the owl. So it gives you an idea. Sunflowers, the pumpkins, the leaves. I love all like the whimsy, like that scroll type lettering, really pretty, very detailed. Then this one is called Autumn Marshlands, and you get Golden Marsh, Autumn Marsh, and Quiet Waters. Really pretty, really different. I feel like you could keep these out longer than fall. They're not, they have like the fall colors, but something like this one with the bird, even though you have the leaves and acorn, I feel like you could probably leave this out even before fall, but that would be, optional and up to you. Think about, and of course with all that wording makes it really nice, but think about, something a little bit coastal. People that live by the coast, they would really love this. I know where I live, I'm by the coast in North Carolina, and we get a lot of these type birds, which is more like a heron. Well, no, actually not that one. I'm sorry. This one is a different type of bird, but definitely coastal. It could be a type of heron actually, but this one right here, this is the one I'm thinking of. That's more like a heron. But we have the egrets and the herons by us, because like I said, I'm by the coast. So yeah, so hopefully I held that up enough for you to see and give you an idea. And think about fall crafting is just like exploded right now, right? All the crafters are creating fall and Halloween crafts, and you might have some fall craft fairs that are coming up. Maybe you have a booth. So your mind is thinking like, oh my gosh, all these great pieces. I know I am. Like, I can't wait to start making crafts with these and making reels that I could put out, and photos of my work. This one I absolutely love. This is Heirloom Harvest. And you get harvest blessings, gather, and autumn grace. So hopefully you could see that without a glare, and I'll turn it around so you could see one of them up close. I'm going to be showing you the harvest blessings. There you go. Look at how beautiful that is. With all the floral, the wheat, the leaves, the pumpkins, the beautiful scroll here on top, that design. I love the font even, right? The font that they use is really nice, and how they made the word harvest much bigger. And then down below you have the scroll again, that scroll design. So those are the new 3-pack 8x10s, which, like I said, are brand new, that Essential Stencil came out with. And then for the bigger ones that they normally do, this one is called Heirloom Harvest Market. And whenever they do these, the majority of the time they give you 2 sheets in one packet, and both sheets are different. So you get a variety of different styles. So here are the 2 sheets that you get, and you can tell they're different. Some have words, right? You have autumn harvest, hello autumn, gather, right? Lots of things with sayings. And then of course you have images as well. And I'll turn it over so you could see one up close. I just love this style. Very vintage looking. And farmhouse, which is totally my style. Beautiful. And this, and look at the little mushrooms, how cute. The acorns, I mean, a variety of different things. I love even this whole image here that you could use. So that's what makes it fun, because like I said, you could pick and choose depending on what type of craft you're making and what you want to use, and mixing it up with fall stencils. It's just awesome. Whiskers and wildflowers. This is very cute. This has a lot of those wildflowers like they did last year with the ghost, the wildflower ghost, which I still have them. I love them. Hoping that they actually bring them back in stock as well. So let me show you. And again, 2 different sheets. A lot of the, obviously, whiskers, so you get a lot of kitty cats in there. And pumpkins and floral, butterflies. I like that crescent moon, right? So they'll repeat some of the same things on both sheets, but they also give you a variety of different things as well. And sometimes they'll take one object and give you a smaller version and a bigger version of it. So that makes it really nice too. And then I'll turn it over so you could see one side. So that's just one of the sheets, the cute little kitty cats, the butterflies. See all the wildflowers, like on this pumpkin, I love that. That moon is awesome. The little bows, really pretty. Lots to work with. I know there's a glare, I'm sorry about that. This one is actually, this is an Heirloom Thanksgiving, and you do get 1 transfer sheet with this one. So this is the one you get, a nice big one. Look at how beautiful that is. So you have the nice font, Thanksgiving Harvest. You have some more scroll design. Look at that turkey and the pumpkins. So vivid. The colors are so beautiful. So much nicer in person too. And then I love these cute little that they give you. I'm not sure what you would call them. Just like little, you know, cute little symbols that you could use. So these could even be used separately. Like if you didn't want to just use this whole entire sheet and you wanted to break it up, you could do that as well. And you could use these smaller pieces. Maybe you don't want that design, but you want to use it in another project. So, you know, it's all up to you on how you want to create and design your projects. And this one's called Autumn Faithfulness. And you get 2 sheets with this one. A beautiful barn-like setting, rustic barn out in a field with your fall trees and pumpkins and mums and falling leaves. You have give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His love endures forever. And then the other one says, his faithfulness is our shield and refuge. So here's one. That's the give thanks one. So this way you could see it up close. I love the falling leaves and this leaf garland. You can see that tree that I was talking about, the rustic barn in the open field. And then you have your little cute little pile of pumpkins and mums in the corner there. Really pretty. And now you get to see the other one as well, which is right here. Okay. And the last one is different, actually, a different style than what I've been showing you. It's called Sweet Harvest Whimsy. So it's more almost like an illustration type style and whimsical. You have things like pies, hats, leaves, pumpkins, cute little turkey with its wings out, a witch's hat, a cornucopia, some wheat, acorns, corn, and again, that's Sweet Harvest Whimsy. So you can see how that's a different style, but very cute. You know me and my sunflower, so I love this sunflower. And there, now turning it around, you get to see it up close. The little stack of books with the pumpkin on it. Lots of different things that you could do with these as well. So I hope that that gave you an idea. Like I said, today being a sneak peek, I know you could go online, but sometimes when you go online, you know, it's not the same as actually seeing it up close. The pictures online are definitely very good. So you'll definitely, when you go, you'll recognize what I just showed you. And they go on sale August 24th, so that's 2 days from now. And you could use my code at checkout. Again, Expression Artworks, all one word, no spaces, giving you that extra 10% off your order. And I appreciate you all being here. I appreciate you watching. And stay tuned for some reels and some photos of things that I create with these. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I can't wait to see what you all create. All right, take care. Bye-bye, so long.